welcome to another video today for you guys. So today we got some stuff to do. First things first, we gotta pick up my boy Wayne. There is something at the end of the video that I actually want to talk to you guys about, something very personal and very important. I need your opinion and your advice on this one because it's a huge step in life. It's a massive decision for me. And it's a lot to do. It's a lot to take in, a new environment, new pretty much everything. So at the end, if you're still watching by the end of this video, you guys will know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so what we're doing today, you guys know that I got the carbon fiber hood. We got maybe get one little car wash, and oh my god, get off my key. We have to get a clear coat for the hood to make it look nice and shiny for the summer. It's crazy. We're already in almost mid-April and it's still a little cold. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. We're expecting snow actually this week in a couple days actually. So hopefully not too much, but we're gonna see what we're gonna do, and we'll see what Wayne's got planned. Take some nice photos of the car, and yeah. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're at Canadian Tire right now with my boy Wayne. He's just doing his own thing. I'm at Canadian Tire right now. What we're doing is we need to find a clear coat for the spray, to spray my hood to make it nice and clean and shiny and all that. Just gonna walk around a little bit. Alright, so I got the clear coat. Basically what you're doing is you're spraying this on your hood to make it, you know, like shiny, look clean and everything. And it protects it, so that's one thing I'm gonna get. There was one thing I was gonna get too, but I kind of forgot. Now there's one thing I want to talk to you guys about, something that I've never thought actually would happen. You guys know last summer in my vlogs we went to Autodrome in Saint Eustache, Montreal. Apparently they made an announcement on the press release that they're closing down the track due to a Hydro-Quebec line. I'm calling bullshit, because that's just fucking retarded. You're gonna close a track that's been there for 55 years, and just because of a hydro line. I know as a fact that a lot of people on Facebook right now are seriously pissed off about that, because you had JDM Fest, you had Paul Walker Memorial event, you got the events of So Clean, couple of Bureaucracy cars there. You got so many crazy events that are like hosted at Autodrome, and all of a sudden now at the end of 2019 they're closing down. That's not right. Yeah, so there's a lot of haters out there on Facebook right now that are really pissed off about this. Me and my friend Wayne, we think there's gonna be like a kind of like not like a riot, but like a stand-up. Like there's gonna be thousands of hundreds of people with crazy cars gonna go there, and they're gonna fight to keep the track open. And if that's the case, I'm definitely gonna go, because I personally don't think just because they run a hydro line that they should close down. That's bullshit. All right, so we're behind a place right now. Right now I'm gonna be putting a new intake air filter inside. It's been about a good maybe year or more, right? Yeah, a year or more. Yeah. I haven't changed the air filter, so it's probably really dirty and stuff like that. Cause you guys know I do like a lot of rally stuff in the winter time and in the dirt and stuff, so we're gonna change the air filter. And yeah, it's my first time doing this. Obviously you guys are probably laughing at me because oh, it's so easy, but I'm learning, guys. Let's get to it. Alright, so unfortunately the clear coat to protect the carbon fiber hood to make it nice and shiny, unfortunately we can't do it today. We're gonna have to wait till it's a lot warmer, like 16 degrees, which is hot. So we'll wait for that. In the meantime, got my Capital Tuning sticker right there. It looks amazing. Shout out to my boy Wayne for helping me with that. A little dusty on the surface because it was a little dusty in there and dirt, so told my boy Wayne to hook it up for me, but everything's good. Capital Tuning, LZ, what's up? Yeah, Mr. Hooligan. Hell yeah. Anything else? We're just gonna hang out today, figure out some stuff to do, and I gotta eat, guys. I'm hungry. At MW, having some cheeseburger, fries, and Sprite. Alright, so I'm back home now. I know this vlog today was a little short. Apologize for that. We couldn't get the clear coat done because it's too windy and a little cold. Plus, it says on the back of the bottle it has to be at 16 degrees. So we'll figure out that. Stay tuned for this Thursday though. I have something planned that I'm gonna be doing. My intro for the beginning of the vlog when it starts, and at the end, you know where it says please subscribe and that stuff. I'm gonna be changing those two on Thursday or Friday, but I'm gonna be creating it on Thursday, and then in the beginning and then during the day. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have some cool stuff, and yep. Thank you guys very much for your support, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.